In this video, I'll show you how I'm recording and editing, and enjoy. Oh, I'm in the Obs Studio right now. I don't know how to call this thing. How to spell this thing, I don't know. You have 1 or 0 scenes right here. So to set up your studio, just click on add scene and call it, I will call it test scene. Here inside you can add sources like images that will appear in your video. I want to just record, so let's click plus, and you can select game capture or display capture. If I select display capture, it will bring us to a new window where we can call our display capture. So let's call this and as you can see now, you can see your entire scene. But this is a very huge thing. We can simply scale this down like this, and if we want to select game capture, and it will bring us to properties, and we have to capture. I'm using capture specific window and select the window, and it's right here. We can also add images by clicking on plus and image. Let's call this and here we have to select a file, nice, like this, and you can scale this. If you want to have a webcam, just click plus and select video capture device. Here you can select your webcam, and this will be your webcam. Just scale it down, and you can put it like this. Is a good place to place it. If you want to start recording, just click start recording. Okay, so let's start recording. You can also go between these scenes, controls. Now if you want to stream, select manage broadcast, and here you can select existing already, or you just create new, call it then you can create a broadcast or already create broadcast and start streaming. I will not do that, I don't stream right now. All of your videos save. If you click on show recordings, I think we can we can now edit video. No. If you want to add text, just click plus, text, call it my text, text will be don't forget to like and subscribe. you have it. Nice text that will appear in your video. This is all for my video making software. Now let's move on to video editing. I am in the editor right now, and we can start editing the video. To import a media file, click in plus right here and import media files. Select one of your videos. Move it right here into your editor window. To cut off part you don't like, just select the start of the part and second of the part by clicking on split button and selecting the media file. Then you can ripple delete or delete. Ripple deleting will automatically move this here, which is helpful. You can also add effects, transitions, and some text, more text, stickers, filters, audio, like this shot audio, and there is an FVX store right here. If you have selected the part, you can also make it faster, so it will be faster. You can also delete all of the sound by turning audio to down, or if the sound is too quiet, just put it up. How am I making intros? I just put the music up there and some clips and me talking. In this video I'll show you how. Unfortunately there are some premium text which you have to buy. To export the video you have to first log in to your YouTube or TikTok or Vimeo what's this account, and then call the video, make a description, put your tags, quality, maybe you can do like entertainment and public, then click upload. Uploading video will take longer than you thought. Like 10-minute videos is like 30 minutes, so I can do other things like going out and touch grass.